Hello. So after 2.3 years, I wanted to share a very important life update. I have joined Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore, which is part of Samsung Electronics, which ranks number 19 in Fortune 500 list as a chief engineer. I will be working under 4G and 5G domain, and as part of onboarding, I have received few of the goodies and tons of IT material, which includes laptop and other stuff. I'll be sharing the goodies which I have received that might inspire you to join Samsung. So let's see. So as I was talking about the onboarding goodies, so as part of that, we get this big black box which has Samsung R&D Institute written on that. Let's see what is there inside. It opens like this. It has a very good cover. A lot of tech people will be doing that like this, right? So we receive one letter which is welcome to Samsung, and also it is having a letter which says welcome to Bangalore, welcome to Samsung as a signature of our MD. And we will also receive one handbook which will have, it is a planner, so you can mention what you are doing in a day, and that's what you will do with this, right? And as part of that, we will also receive few of the confidential documents, which is my offer letter. You will get it in the onboarding day itself. You will also receive a fantastic cap, which is again black color, which has Samsung research engraved on it. I like to wear it like this, I believe. No, it does not look nice. And going ahead, we have again Samsung research written on it. It has, I believe, very important thing. Just a second. So Samsung research written on it. A very good black box, I would say. The minimalistic design, which is very important. Also, it has the mug, which says Samsung, and it has a very beautiful line written on it. You can maybe pause the video and see. On top of it, we have also received, I told you, Samsung is a brand which is mentioned everywhere. I just love the box. And we will receive a metal temperature controlled or maybe insulated bottle for water, or you can use it for hot and cold fluids. So this is very good quality, I would say, and it is also having Samsung written on it. So very good quality, I would say. And as part of our important meetings which we have to attend, we have received this very good JBL Quantum 100 with active noise cancellation, and it can be used for gaming. But I will be carrying this to office, so I believe that is not possible. But this is very good. So it has a very good soft cushioning and a lot of stuff. And we also have this new image, which is nowadays everywhere in Samsung, even on the laptops. This is a mouse pad where you can keep your mouse and you can use it. It's very good quality, I would say. To sign your offer letter and to write something on that planner which I showed you in the starting, they have given you a Parker pen which has Samsung research written on it. Very good quality pen. Parker stands for quality in pens, right? So that's how it is. And we have also received a file which is you can keep your documents. I really liked the way they have planned things, right? Because no one wants to give you these kind of files, because no one is nowadays believing on the physical documents. But as I said, there will be important document which is offer letter, which you can keep here, right? And there will be many other documents which you can even carry in your home as well. They have this kind of naming convention written on it, maybe the alphabets, so that you can stick it on the file and you can find your documents very easily. And at last you have this and the values of Samsung written on it. If you can see it clearly, you can hang it on the car, or you can hang it somewhere where you want to show that okay, you are working at Samsung, right? So the values of Samsung are people, integrity, change, home, prosperity, and excellence, right? So all this stuff has just fallen down, and yeah, so that's it. That's what was the video all about, and I would like to say thank you again. Thank you for seeing this video, and if you want to join Samsung, do let me know. I have again prepared a set of questions and everything which I have done previously. You can reach out to me on this video's comments, and I'll surely get back to you.